Got more everyday problems? Don't worry. We've got 5 more simple solutions that will make your life a breeze. Let's dive in. Hey there. Welcome to Everyday Hacks. Back with another round of quick fixes for those pesky problems. Ready to get started? Let's go. First up, spilling something on your favorite shirt. Ugh, it's the worst, right? Here's a trick. Mix baking soda and water to make a paste. Apply it to the stain and let it sit for 15 minutes before washing. Stain be gone. It's like magic, but real. Next, those annoying fruit flies taking over your kitchen. They're like uninvited party guests that just won't leave. Solution: make a DIY trap with a small bowl, some apple cider vinegar, and a few drops of dish soap. The flies will dive in and the soap will trap them. Problem solved. Scratched furniture driving you nuts? Fear not. Grab a walnut and rub it over the scratches. The natural oils will darken the wood and make the scratch disappear. Who knew snacks could fix furniture? Ever deal with foggy mirrors after a hot shower? It's like trying to see through a cloud. Here's a fix. Apply a small amount of shaving cream to the mirror and wipe it off. No more fog for weeks. You'll be clear as day. Got pet hair all over your furniture? Your pet loves it, but you, not so much. Put on a damp rubber glove and wipe the upholstery. The hair sticks to the glove, making cleanup a breeze. Your couch will thank you. There you have it. 5 more simple solutions for common problems. Which hack are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments. Like and subscribe for more handy tips. Thanks for watching.